Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials right so you can play cleanly. Tune to standard E and confirm with a tuner. This ensures the intervals and harmonies match the recording. Once done, add a capo to match the vocal key. Try the second or third fret and hear which fits. Also map the core chords, M, G, D, C, M, label fingers and root notes. Doing this first saves time when you move into rhythm and transitions. Now you build the song's groove by combining chord shapes with an intentional strumming pattern. Start at 60 BPM with a metronome and practice D-D-U-U-D-U, accenting beats 1 and 3 so the pulse reads clearly. Once your hands coordinate, raise tempo by 5 BPM increments until you hit the song speed. Make sure to add dynamics, soft in verses and stronger in choruses, because that contrast delivers the emotional lift. You finish by playing the full arrangement and refining problem spots. Record one take and listen for timing, tone, and missed chord tones so you know what to target. If a transition feels shaky, slow that bar to half speed and repeat it 8 to 16 times until your hands move automatically. Make sure to check setup if notes buzz, inspect nut, saddle height, string action, and adjust finger pressure. If issues persist, swap to a fresh set of strings and retune.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.